Good morning, everybody. Good morning, friends. First and foremost, I just want to say that your health and your safety is always going to be our number one priority. That is what we want. We want everyone to come home at the end of the day. So, if there's any way that we can help you guys, please reach out to us. We have resources that we can try and put you in contact with. Please let us know. Thank you. Let's get started with our calendar today, my friends. We are in the month of June. We finished May, and now we are in June. We're going to have ice cream. The sun is going to start shining. It was really hot yesterday. It's raining now, but hopefully the sun comes out and can shine through your windows, my friends. So let's sing our good morning song. We have two hands, two fingers. Let's go. Good morning, how are you? How are you? Very well, thank you, very well, thank you. How about you? How about you? Thank you for joining me, friends. Now let's look at our calendar. Yesterday was Tuesday. So today is Wednesday. Very good. Today is Wednesday. So Miss Sarah's going to draw the box for today, our rectangle. What number comes next? I have 1, 2, 3. Very good. Miss Sarah's going to take her marker and write the number 3 for the box on Wednesday. Now we need to fill in our pattern. So our pattern is green, purple, purple. And so far I have green, purple. So what color am I going to fill in next? That's right, I'm going to fill in purple. Purple. Very good. Let's say the date. Today is Wednesday, June 3rd, 2020. Today is Wednesday, all day long, woo, all day long, woo. Yesterday was Tuesday, tomorrow will be Thursday. Ding dong ding, ding dong ding. Thank you guys for joining me. Now let's quickly go and we're going to look at our activities for today. So for math, we're going to practice counting again. The counting is really what's going to be most important right now. Just focusing on getting that counting stamina up. Sorry, my friend, Miss Sarah got logged out of her account. Let me pause my video. So for today, for literacy, we just have our Jolly Phonics group 4 songs. And then we're also going to practice writing our name today. First and last name. So if it was my name, it would say Sarah Baker. For math today, we're counting again. Today we're counting to 30 as best as we can. If your child is having trouble counting to 30 on their own, focus on the number they can count to on their own. If that's 20, count to 20 and then have them count with you to 30 so they can practice the sequencing of the numbers. For science and social studies today, we have a video about fruit and why fruit is important in our diet. For recess today, it's just simple stretching. We're going to touch our toes and count to 10. We're going to reach for the sky and count to 10. And we're going to do that 3 times. Social emotional today, I want you guys to talk as a family about how you're feeling. Talk to your child. How are they feeling about not being in school, not being able to see their friends? Maybe you're not able to see some of your family members. How are you guys feeling as a family? Talk to them. Ask them about their feelings and what we can do in the future to help us when we are feeling that way. As always, like I said in the beginning, your health and safety is number 1. Please reach out to us so that we know you guys are okay. If you need anything, please let us know. If you cannot get to the work this week, we understand. Just focus on you and your family. See you guys soon.